This video will show you how to apply for a disabled parking permit for people of determination, including citizens, residents and tourists. Who can apply? For our citizens and residents, RTA offers two classes of permits. The permanent parking permit is renewable every 3 years. The temporary parking permit is renewable anywhere between 1 to 12 months, depending on your requirements. Tourists staying in Dubai can also apply for free parking for the duration of their visa stay or up to a maximum period of 3 months. How and where to apply? All applications can be processed using the RTA Dubai Smart app. You can also visit our RTA customer service centres in Ramul, Alawiya and Al Manara. Documents needed to apply. Citizens and residents are required to provide a certified medical report or a Sanad card. Citizens and residents must also bring their national ID, passport and residence permit. Tourists applying for special parking permits are required to provide an authorized medical report from their country of origin as well as a valid passport and visa. Enjoy easier service every day with RTA.